Hello, my name is Mont Stevenson with Christian Brothers Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, specializing in all your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. We perform many tasks. Plumbing, obviously, some of your basic tasks as far as drains, faucet repairs, tub repairs, water heaters, water softeners, gas RO units, reverse osmosis. At Christian Brothers Plumbing, it is a very important and essential part of our company that we provide you with the utmost professional technicians. Our technicians are certified and trained. We have an intense training program to keep up with all the new and latest technologies. Call us 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, for not only your emergency needs, but your regular service needs. Mention to your service specialist that you saw this ad. He'll give you an additional $50 off your service call.